Hey there, welcome back to my channel where you enjoy watching me making lovely DIYs to inspire you. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave me your sweet comments. Today's video we are going to be doing a monthly collaboration called What Would You Make? Hosted by two talented and wonderful ladies, Zaina at OK Home DIY and Connie at Connie's Creative Creations. Thank you ladies for hosting this challenge, also to invite me to be the guest host of this month. So the guest host of this month is Miriam at Craft with Miriam. So please don't forget to check out and visit all our channels as well as the playlist in the description box below. You're gonna have fun watching crafty ladies making amazing wood DIYs to inspire you guys. So let's jump to our first project and let's see what wood we make. Let's grab a branch from my backyard. Also, my son wants to show you his bunny. Who is that? Say hi. Hello, hello.
Omelet. His name is Omelet.
Hello, baby.
Ticka, ticka, ticka. Ticka, ticka, ticka.
Oh no. Okay, let's go inside. Start my first project. For this first project, I have been using these three colors of macrame cord that I got my stash. You can find them in Amazon or Michaels too. And this branch that I got from my backyard. To make a macrame wall hanging that even beginners can easily copy me and make a cute wall decor. We are holding this branch on the table with this painter tape to create this wall decor. We need 18 strands of these cords with 70 inches long, 16 with beige color and 2 gray, 2 black, all of them with 70 inches. Each cord of these 70 inches, you're gonna fold them in half. Take the folded cord behind the branch and grab the rest of the cord, putting it through the loop made at the back. Hang the rest of the cord on the branch with the same knot. We start with this beige color. I'm hanging 16 of them. We are adding the gray and the black cord in the left side, same knot, and on the right side too. We'll see 28 cord we will work with. Now we're gonna make a square knot using these 4 lines. We start from the left first. We make a number 4 with the left cord over the middle cords and under the right. Pull the right cord through the loop created and tighten the knots. Then we make a backward 4 with a right cord over the middle cords and under the left. Pull the left cord through the loop created and tighten the knots too. We're gonna repeat this square knot using each 4 cord next to it until the end. When we go to the second line, we're gonna skip the two first cord and make a square knot using these 4 cords next to it. Then we continue making these square cord knots until the end. Then we're gonna leave 2 cords in the end too. Jump into the third line, we will skip 4 cords and make a square knot using 4 cords next to it. We keep making these knots until the end. We're gonna leave 4 cords in the end too. Then each time you go to the next line, we will skip 2 more cords. Now we skip 6 cords, then we continue making these knots. Until the end, you're gonna leave 6 cords too. And as you see, you are making a kind of triangle. Since we are working with wood, let's add these wooden beads in the center and tighten it with this square knot. Now we're gonna make the double half hitch knot. We hold the left cord to the right, move it to the right, make a U shape with the cord next to it and pull out the cord through the loop. Pull the cord and tighten the knots. We repeat by holding the same cord. Hold this center cord and repeat with each next cord. We're gonna make 3 rows of these double half hitch knots in the left side and in the right side too. As you see, this is the first row, second, and now the third one. When you go to the right side, we repeat making double half each knot by holding the first cord, move it to the left, make a U shape and pull it through the loop, pull the cord and tie it, making 3 rows. To gather this cord in the center, we use another piece of this cord to wrap around them about 8 times and make a knot to tie it. We are creating a knot in each cord to make it stand straight a little bit. We hang this wall decor with this rope, make a knot in each side. Voila, this is a hanger. And voila, my final look for this DIY macrame wall hanging. If you like it, let me know in your comment below. And then jump to the second DIY. For this second project, I have been using this sign from Dollar Tree and some tumbling blocks from Dollar Tree too. We are using these sanding blocks to remove all the glitter in this surface to make it flat as possible and cover it with this adhesive paper. We are tracing this sign on this brown adhesive paper to cover the back of the sign, make it neat as possible, and to work on this surface to make it as a base of this wall hanging decor. I'm painted with black or black chalk paint. Now go ahead and just scoot this little bit out of the way to start working on the back that we're gonna add to this base of this project. We are gonna to be gathering up 2 sets of 6 blocks. We're gonna glue them on top each other. I'm using wood glue and hot glue. So this box will be added to this cloth piece to make sure they are nice and secure together with no gaps. I'm painting these 2 sets of 6 blocks with this gray paint I have in my stash. I have it at home, so I'm using it now. And I'm gluing these 2 sets together to make a square piece. Another tumbling blocks to make the 2 sides of this box. So I'm gluing 2 sets of 4 tumbling blocks. Glue each 2 on top each other to make 2 sets of 4 tumbling blocks. To make a base for this box, we are adding these wood cubes that I got from Dollar Tree. So we need 2 sets of 5 small wood cubes. To make this base, I'm gluing them with wood glue and hot glue, painting with gray paint. We are adding this small buffalo check ribbon in the middle of this box and this bow, tiny bow in the center, and a tiny bead on top this tiny bow. Then I'm sealing this piece with overly clear wax to make it shiny and a better finished look to this sign. Next, we are gluing this box in the bottom or in the center of the bottom of this sign. We are adding a wreath to this sign with this wooden snake that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm cutting the head and the tail and make a circle, glue together with this wood glue, seal it with this clear wax, and now decorating the wreath with these 2 ribbons, making a bow with some greenery and some flowers in the bottom of this wreath. Next, hanging this wreath on the top with this buffalo check ribbon. Now it's time to decorate this pocket. Some leaves, some flowers. Voila, it's cute. Now to hang this wall decor, we need some wooden beads. This piece of twine. Make a hanger, glue it with hot glue in the back, and cover it with this adhesive paper. Voila, voila. Now we can hang and decorate our piece. We have an adorable wall decor with a pocket. We can add any leaves, any flower that match the season. You can try it, guys. It's easy to make. Let me know if you like it, and let's jump to the next project. For this project, I have been using this sign. I flip it to use this surface. I cover it with gray paint, then stain it with clear wax. We have been making a wall hanger plant stand, which consists of some of these tumbling blocks. It will be 3 rows of 3 blocks. Glue them with wood glue. It's gonna be, and we glue them end to end like this. Then add in 1 block in each side of this rows. Painting these rows with black chalk paint all around. I need a base for this plant stand. I glue 10 blocks together with wood glue and hot glue, painting them with black chalk paint too. When all these pieces are fully dry, you are adding these wood beads between each 2 rows. 4 in the front of this plant stand and 1 in each corner, as you see. Attach these 2 rows with this big clump that we got from Lowe's, and we are gluing other beads to other rows and the base in the bottom like this. Now we are tracing the position where I have to glue this plant stand, so will not be mistaken. I want it in the center. I glue it with this wood glue, adding this black ribbon pom-pom that I got from Michael's to decorate this wall hanging. I like it. We are adding this wooden welcome sign that I got from Michael's and this greenery into this basket. So arrange them to decorate this wall hanger plant. Making a bow with this ribbon. We are adding 2 of these magnets that we got from Dollar Tree, and we put them in the corner of this Wall Decor and 2 in the back of the bow to place this bow in the corner. Now we are stringing these wooden beads into this black cord to make a hanger. Glue it with hot glue and cover it with this adhesive paper in the back to have neat sign in the back and beautiful wall decor like this. Voila, voila, my last final look. What do you think, guys? Let me see in your comments. In today's video, we create 3 beautiful wall hangings for home decoration using a wooden branch and some of these tumbling blocks. I hope you like them like me. If you like them, don't forget to click the thumbs up button below and to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video and for all your sweet comments. Bye and see you soon.